What's up? So, if your FJ Cruiser drops a coil pack, here's how to replace it. First step, you're going to know which coil pack by starting the car and putting your code scanner in. It is down here, right here. I have my blue driver one in, and I've already scanned the code, and it says that it's bank 5. When you're at the front of the engine, the banks go from left to right and back. So they go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5 is in the back left, on the back of the engine towards the firewall. And as you can see, it's one of the easier ones to get to. You're going to need a 10mm bolt or a 10mm wrench, and then you'll just pop that clip off and take your air filter off to get it out of the way. Okay, let's pop this air filter off. Get this out of the way. And now you can see we have easy access to bank 5. Probably done that one before. There we go. Those come off. Kind of difficult. Pull the old coil pack out. That looks like it's an original one. I've replaced a lot of the others. Yeah, this one doesn't say made in Japan on it. Shove that back down in there. Nice and good. 10mm bolt threaded in. Plug it back in. Now let's go see if the car runs. The car should start and run smoothly, so I'm gonna start it right now. Don't mind my exhaust leak.